Think ghostwriting is only for professional writers? Think again. Right now, founders, CEOs, coaches, and creators are paying freelancers to write engaging posts for X and LinkedIn because they don't have the time to do it themselves. If you can write clear, interesting content, earning up to $200 a day is an achievable goal for many freelancers, but it depends on your skills, client pipeline, and pricing. Here's the strategy. Step 1. Pick one niche: AI, finance, fitness, tech, real estate, or personal branding. Specialists often command higher rates than generalists. Step 2. Create 5 to 10 sample posts that showcase different writing styles. You don't need clients to build a portfolio. Write examples as if you already have them. Step 3. Reach out to creators who post inconsistently or whose content could be improved. Send a short personalized message explaining how you can help increase engagement and save them time. Step 4. Start with monthly content packages instead of charging per post. For example, offer 20 posts per month, content ideas, and light engagement support. Step 5. Deliver consistently. Learn each client's voice, study high-performing posts, and use analytics to refine future content. Happy clients often become repeat customers and refer others. The key to reaching $200 per day is stacking recurring clients, not relying on one-time projects. 3 to 5 steady clients can create predictable monthly income while giving you room to raise your rates as your results improve. If you're serious about building an online income with a skill that's in demand, ghostwriting is worth exploring. Like this video, subscribe for more proven digital income strategies, and comment right if you're ready to land your first ghostwriting client.